Hi everyone. In this video, I am gonna show you the one of the production scenario of my project. My scenario is I have a Kubernetes cluster on Google Cloud. So current structure is not capable of handling the entire architecture. For example, when you say tab nodes with the kubectl, you will see there is a high loaded memory on each node. So I am trying to upgrade my machine type. Currently I am using N1 standard 1. So I just wanted to upgrade it to the M1 standard 2 with 0 downtime. Okay. So the current memory for each node is almost 4 GB, but I will double that. Okay. So the first thing we need to do is we need to create a larger pool that contains the different machine type. So I will create another pool here. First of all, if you want to see the current node pool, you can use this command. So let's say that my cluster name is this one. So here, as you can see, I have the default pool and it has the machine type N1 standard 1. I will create another pool. So here, I will create another pool which has a name, larger pool, and for the same cluster. But this time the machine type will be version 2. Okay, I will have 3 members within this cluster. So when you say this, we will be able to see the second pool. Let's wait for this execution to finish. During the creation phase, we can have a look at the current status. We still have only one pool here, so we need to wait for this pool to be created. So as a summary, we will create a second larger pool, and then we will stop everything on the first node pool, and all the workloads will be automatically migrated to the larger pool. Okay. In order to do this, first of all, we need to cordon the entire nodes here, which is in the first pool, and then we will drain all the nodes so that all the pods, all the workloads will be migrated to the second one. When we try to list these pools, okay, you will see default pool and larger pool. Larger pool has the upgraded machine type. Again, in the same manner, when you say get node, you will see we have a larger pool, 3 of them, and 4 for the default pool. So in order to migrate all the workloads, first of all, we will cordon all the default node pool. Okay. So I am saying that get me all the nodes that has listed in the default pool. I can use this notation in order to cordon all the nodes by using this notation. So here I am saying that get me all the nodes that listed here, and then cordon all the nodes which are in this list. When I say this, and then yeah, as you can see here, scheduling disabled. That means these nodes will not accept any new pod or any kind of workload scheduling. So right now we need to drain all the workloads that exist within this cluster. When you say this one, okay, 4 of them are scheduling disabled and 3 of them are ready. I am double checking again because we are in the production environment. I just wanted to show you the production case. Now we can drain all the workloads here. As you can see, it is the same command, but this time we will do drain. So this drain will stop all the workloads on this cluster, but we will ignore daemon sets because this daemon set will be needed in order to do some operation for the migration, and we will delete all the local data because they are already will be deleted after we delete all the default pool nodes. Okay. On the other tabs, let me check this one. Okay, we have no pods. We will wait for all the pods evicted from the default pool. Okay, scheduling disabled. All the pods, cron jobs, etc. will be deleted within this cluster. Okay, the operation is finished. Let us wait for the workloads migrate to the second one. So okay, as you can see, these pods were in the default pool. So right now they are in the larger pool, and then you can see the ages of these pods. Here also you can see there is larger pool in the name. Let me say node. So in order to be sure there is no workload remained here, you can use this one. So not this one. So here, this is the default one. Let me provide the namespace. Okay, in the namespace section, I will provide -- all namespaces. Okay, as you can see here, there are a couple of the um, default one, because in order to do a migration from the old one to the newest one, we need to make some of the processes stay on the default one, because that one will be migrate all these stuffs to the new cluster nodes. So that's why we have some kind of stuffs here. So since I have all the workload migrated to the newest one, I will be able to delete the old node pool, and that's all. So here, default pool will be deleted within this cluster. So default pool within this one. So yes. We can double check our pull list. It is not deleted yet. Yeah. The default one is deleted from the list. As you can see here, the default pool is gone, and we have only larger pool. During this operation, there was a zero downtime, because the application was alive during the migration. So that's all. Thanks for watching.